Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how to change your playlist cover on Spotify. So let's dive in. First, open the Spotify app on your phone or desktop. Then you'll see 4 options on the bottom. Go ahead and tap on your library. Then tap on the playlist you want to edit. And here tap on the 3 dots. Here you'll see many options. Go ahead and tap on edit playlist or create cover art. From here you can see the option called change playlist cover. Tap on it. Then from here you can change your cover by either creating cover art or just changing it from your gallery. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and comment down below if there is anything else I can help you guys with. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.